Hi friends, my name is Abhishek Jain. I'm a safe coach and trainer having 2 decades of experience in IT coaching and consulting. Today I'm going to talk with you about system demo in SAFe or Scale Agile framework. What is system demo? To understand system demo, we first need to understand what is iteration review or sprint review and what is the difference between iteration review and system demo. And also we need to understand what is PI system demo. Some people ask me the question that they understand system demo, but what is PI system demo and what is PI? So we'll talk about all those things today. What is system demo and how it is different from other things. So let's start. So I'm going to share my screen and we'll start from there. Yeah. So if you can see my screen, this is basically all the Scrum related things which you follow in SAFe. So all the essentials of Scrum you are able to see here, and also some part of SAFe which applies to the Scrum here, which is called Safe Scrum. So we can talk about all those things in my upcoming videos. So do subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos on SAFe and you are able to understand other terminologies and other jargon of SAFe. So before starting system demo, let's review what is iteration review or sprint review. So let me put the laser point here. Yeah. So here we are, iteration review. So as you can see, the iteration review or sprint review is nothing but the same thing. So when you say iteration or when you say sprint, both are the same things. In the Scrum terminology as defined by Scrum Guide, we use the term Scrum. In SAFe environment, the same thing is called iteration. So if somebody asks you about what is iteration review or sprint review, they both are same thing. So what we do in iteration review or sprint review? In iteration review, we do the functionality, what we completed in the iteration. So we demo that functionality amongst the stakeholders, take their feedback and adapt accordingly. That is iteration review that happens per team. So every team do their iteration review and it happens for only one team. That is iteration review. And once you complete the iteration review, the next thing which comes in SAFe is called the system demo, which is you're seeing here at the end of the iteration. So what is system demo? Let's try to understand on the next slide. Okay. So in the diagram, whatever you are seeing here, all these are the teams. They have completed their iteration review. Now they are set to their system review. But what is that? So after completing your iteration review, all the teams come together with their increment or demonstrable functionality, what they have already demonstrated to their internal external stakeholders. They all come together, they integrate their work, and what they show is basically called the system demo. So after completion of the iteration review by every team, all the teams which comes under the SAFe, they all come together, they integrate their work, and they demo their functionality after completion of the iteration. That is called system demo. And the system team can help you in supporting to do that demo. So what is system team? That also I will describe you in one video, which will be part of my channel. So keep watching my videos there. So these system demos happens after the iteration review, and it may lag by at most one iteration. So it is not necessary that you complete iteration review and you immediately start doing the system demo, because some teams need some time. But after completing the iteration review within one iteration, all teams should come together integrate their work, and show the system demo to the stakeholders. And the stakeholders may be not just your internal stakeholders, but the business owners and other external customers and other external stakeholders can also participate in system demo because they want to see the entire functionality given by all the teams working together in a safe environment, in a collaborative manner. So what we do in system demo, so features which are functionality complete that can be demonstrable, features which are not complete that can be toggled so that they don't disrupt the functionality. New features should be able to work together with the existing functionality that has to be demoed. And these demos should happen into the staging environment, which resembles like the production-like environment. So staging environment is nothing but an environment which looks exactly like the production. It is not a production environment, but it looks exactly like a production. And that is the staging environment where the demo should happen. So system demo should happen into the staging environment. So we talk about system demo to demonstrate the value at each iteration. System demo should happen after the end of each iteration. That is, system demo should be able to demonstrate those functionality. So the system demo test and evaluate the full solution in a production-like environment to receive the feedback from the stakeholders. So what is the agenda should happen for the system demo? First of all, you should review the business context in which you are working and also review the PI objective. If you want to understand PI objective, I'll create a separate video for that. So 5 to 10 minutes to discuss that. Briefly describe each new features before demoing. You can create a PPT slide, a small PPT slide, and talk about 5 minutes for each new features that you developed. Demo each new features into an end-to-end case for around 20 to 30 minutes. So all the features you should demo into the system demo what you have completed with end-to-end functionality, because now you have integrated everything. So you can show end-to-end demo, spend some 20 to 30 minutes in that, and then open discussions for questions and feedback. And after that, summarize progress, feedback, and action items. All these things you should be able to complete in 1 hour. So time for the system demo is 1 hour. It can be a little less, a little more also, but complete it into the 1 hour. That is called the system demo. Now, what is PI system demo? Let's look at next slide. PI system demo evaluates the full PI. So what happens? At the end of every iteration, you have shown the system demo. For the next iteration, again, you have shown the system demo. If you have 4 to 6 iteration in your PI, then at the end of PI, when you create all your increments, integrate all your increments together inside your team, and across the team also integrate all the increments that you make made into the entire PI and integrate all those together. So for the PI system demo, all the work that you have done into the PI in your team that you integrate, and all the team should integrate their work into the PI that also you need to integrate. So the full integration of all the teamwork for all the iteration that has come as PI system demo that you have to demonstrate at the end of PI. But when at the end of PI? This is the first thing that you do as part of Inspect and Adapt workshop. What is Inspect and Adapt? I will explain into some other video which will be part of my channel. So subscribe to my channel. So Inspect and Adapt, the first thing that you do is the PI system demo that you do at the starting of the Inspect and Adapt workshop, which happens at the end of PI. So this is the integration point where you do the PI system demo, and this is the entire PI. To understand more about PI, I'll give you some brief idea about PI. PI is nothing but a planning interval, and previously it was called program increment. If you want to know more about what is PI and how it works, some of you already know it, and people who don't know it, I'll create a new video. Subscribe to my channel, Safe Concepts. I'll create a new video there, and then you can learn more about the PI and many other terminology which is used for Safe. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked my video, please hit the like button. If you liked my video, please share the video with your friends and colleagues so that they also get benefited. And please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification about my new videos. You can also provide your feedback and you can also ask questions and queries in comment section. So ask your queries and provide feedback in comment section, and I will definitely reply to it so that it will benefit for both of us. Thank you. Thank you very much.